everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing well. As you will have seen from the title, today I am reviewing another Aimeili gel polish set. This one is the Christmas collection. It looks really beautiful and I'm really excited to try it out today. So I'm going to jump straight into the video and test out these beauties, see what they're like, how they cure, how pigmented they are, and all that lovely stuff. So I hope you'll enjoy the video. So this is a 6-piece collection, currently selling on Amazon for £13.99. As you can see here, we've got all Christmassy shades from your greens to your reds to your golds and a white. I'm going to go in and swatch all of the colours. I have pre-buffed some swatch sticks and I'm going to start off by going in with this shade. So this one is 097, which looks like a gorgeousy sort of Christmas green shade. Yeah, look at that colour. This was the main one that called out to me in this collection, because I don't think I have a bright green like this. So I'm just going to go in and give it one coat on my little swatchy swatch stick. So that is one coat of 097. I'm just going to pop that in my lamp for 30 seconds, cure that, and I'll probably give it another coat. Okay, so that has cured for 30 seconds. I'm just going to go in with one more coat, I think. So that is a really gorgeous shade. I really love that a lot. So I'm also going to go in and I'm going to top coat them half and half between matte and glossy, using both the Aimeili ones. As you know, I use these on a regular basis anyway. I really like their matte top coat, and their glossy top coat's amazing as well. So yeah, I'm just going to go in and do half and half on the swatch sticks of these. Okay, so there we go, that is 097 in both matte and glossy. Really gorgeous shade. It's definitely probably one of my favourite greens that I own gel polish wise. I don't think I have a green like this sort of colour, and especially with Christmas coming up, absolutely perfect. I will be using this a lot. I'm sure this will be a very frequently used gel polish amongst my collection coming up to Christmas time. Yeah, really happy with that one. That's not bad at all. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with this one, which is red 064. I'm really excited about this one. I get through so much red gel polish, it's ridiculous. And with Halloween as well as Christmas, obviously I'm going to be diving into this bottle quite a lot. It's a gorgeous shade of red. I really like that. So just like before, I'm just going to give it one coat, cure for 30 seconds, and then probably give it another coat, and then cure again for 30 seconds, and then I will also give it a glossy top coat and a matte top coat as well. Yeah, gorgeous shade. I get through so many bottles of red gel polish. It's one of my favourite colours. It's one of my most commonly worn colours on my own fingernails, and I do use it a lot for nail art, especially like I said with Halloween coming up, like, you know, all blood and gore and all that lot. The red is used a lot. I do get through a hell of a lot of red at this time of year. So yeah, that's one coat of that one. Really gorgeous colour. It's almost like it's got a slight sort of pink tone to it. Okay, so now we're going back in with another coat. Stunning red. Really beautiful. So yeah, there we go, that is 064 in matte and in glossy. I really love that in matte. I kind of want to do my nails like that in matte. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Okay, and then we've got this one which is 096. I thought it was just a white, but it has got some speckles on the top of it, so I'm wondering if it is a sparkly. Wow, the colours on that as well. Like, it's got a lot of pink and gold in there. That's beautiful. That is so pretty. I love that so much. That's absolutely gorgeous. It's just so pretty. I love that. I really do like that. It's obviously very sheer, like it'd probably look better over the top of another colour, but it is so beautiful. I really love that. It's so unique and different with like the pink and gold speckles in it. So there we go. I don't think the camera's doing that with justice because it is beautiful. I really love that one. I think it looks good in matte as well actually, which is a rarity for me. For like a sparkly polish, I don't normally like a matte, but that one is actually kind of cute matte. Yeah, 096, absolutely beautiful shade. Right then, I'm excited to see this one. This is a sparkly sort of red colour by the looks of it. It's 095. Ooh, wow. It's so pretty. I like that. That's gorgeous. I really like that one. So sparkly. So there we go, that is 095. Weirdly enough, I actually really like that one matte as well, which is very bizarre for me, but that is a really gorgeous shade again, and yeah, so far I'm really loving this collection. Okay, so now we've got this one which is sparkly green 094. Wow, that's a gorgeous colour. I like that. So go 094, and again I like it matte. Yeah, I think I like it all in matte as well as glossy. Beautiful colour. Okay, and then moving on to the very last one, we've got this one which is like a gold sparkly one, 093. And there we go, that is the final one, 093, gorgeous girl, both sparkly and matte. Okay, so my overall thoughts for this kit, the bottles are really good, they're 10ml size, which is very good, they'll last a good while. I love the consistency of all the polishes, like they're not too thick, they're not too runny, they're absolutely perfect, which I've always really liked about Aimeili. Like I said, I cure mine for 30 seconds and that's plenty of time. The colours themselves I think couldn't be any more perfect for a Christmas collection. Like, at Christmas time, these are the main colours you'll find yourself reaching for, and I think this is definitely a must-have in your collection for like Christmas time, and like I said, Halloween as well, with the red and everything. I really like it. I'm quite impressed with the glitters because you don't need to put another colour underneath them. They give enough coverage on their own that you don't need to worry about putting another colour underneath, which is great because quite a lot of glitter gel polishes do require another colour underneath. As you saw, I gave all of these 2 coats, and I think they're all pretty damn opaque considering. And yeah, I'm very happy with this collection. I absolutely love Aimeili's matte top coat as well, and the glossy top coat is great. And yeah, I'm very pleased. Like I said, this kit is available to buy on Amazon for £13.99 if you're interested. I will link that down in the description box. I will also leave a link to the kit on their actual official website as well, in case you're not in the UK. But yeah, I love this kit. Like I said, they're all 10ml bottles, great consistency, they cure beautifully, they're all relatively opaque, like 2 coats has done the job fine on all of them. This was obviously a bit on the sheer side, but I think it's meant to be. But it's beautiful. I really like that one. I think that one might be my favourite out of them all. So yeah, I'm very happy with this kit. But anyways, I hope you've all enjoyed this video. If you have, please like and subscribe. Also check out Aimeili. They do have their own YouTube account as well as Instagram, and like I said, you can buy their products on Amazon or on their official website, so I will leave all those details down below. But anyways, thank you all so much for watching, much love to you all, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye!